Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you where is located the serial number of Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus in case if you need it. So let's do it. So the first place where you can find the serial number is this stick. If you don't have this stick here, and I hope you see it, just a second. Okay, and here is the serial number. You need some glasses to see it, and first it's better to clean this back cover. Okay, and let's see now I hope you see it. Okay, and here is your model and serial number. If you have access to your phone keys, you can type *#06#. Okay, and also here you have the IMEI and the serial number. Okay, so I hope this video to be useful for you, and have a nice day.